Welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, a little bit of luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, today's video, we're just going to be talking about Skims again. Yep, here it is. Your girl has went and purchased some more stuff from the Skims, I guess you want to call it like the solution wear line. And I want to kind of just touch base and talk about what I got this time. Not much, but it was worth, you know, definitely making a video and just kind of giving my honest opinion on the items that I purchased. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you do want to go ahead and make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now before we, before you do anything else. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And of course, hit that thumbs up button because you don't want to miss when I am uploading these videos. Hit that notification bell. And of course, all this is just helping the algorithm know to keep recommending my content to people just like you. Continue to just grow here on this platform. And of course, make sure you are sharing, commenting, all that engagement. It really does help, guys. And thank you guys so much for the people that have been doing it. I really appreciate it because yeah, I'm really starting to try to take this a lot more seriously. So of course, I just want to shout you guys out and let you guys know that I definitely am feeling the love, guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. Alrighty, guys, so yeah, I went ahead and this was like, I'm behind, y'all. I really am. I should have been sat down and recorded this video, but you know, life happens and here we are. So I want to say that back in maybe like May, perhaps April or May, Skims was having a sale. Honestly, I didn't know anything about it. I followed the Fashion Sherlock on Instagram, and she literally was just like, oh no, she posted that they were having a sale. So I was like, okay. Now, you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, that I dibble and dabble here and there with the Skims line because, you know, I'm a work from home girl. I am going to continue to be working from home, you know, from here on out indefinitely. And I just, you know, think that this is the kind of stuff that I will want to invest my money in since I'm constantly lounging for the most part. And with that being said, when I seen they were having a sale, there was a couple items that I honestly, when I tell y'all, I didn't know if I was going to even be able to get anything because the site kept crashing. I mean, I guess everybody was on there at one time, but I was lucky enough to at least snag two, almost three items, but we'll go ahead and talk about that. So let me go ahead and just jump right into the video, show you what I got, because that's what you guys are here for. I don't want to ramble too much. All right, guys, so of course you guys seen the little box that Skims comes with right here. You know, it just says Skims, and inside it has this little, I don't know, whatever this little wrapping is. All the Skims kind of have this little wrapping. But anywho, here it is. So the first thing that I got, we're going to just talk about the shapewear. I've never actually bought shapewear from Skims, but because it was on sale, I'm like, okay, maybe I'll give it a shot. I don't even remember how much this stuff costs because I'm so behind with it. Actually, no, we'll go ahead and we'll talk about the loungewear because I did get a piece and I'm really excited about this. Like, I can't wait to wear this item, and I've been waiting to record this video before, you know, to hang it up. So it's kind of wrinkled, y'all, because again, I bought this a while back. I'm just behind in filming, but here it is. It's this gorgeous, cute dress. And I think this is just so flippin' sexy. So I am going to honestly, I'm going to first insert a clip of me wearing it. And this is without any shapewear underneath, because I kind of want you guys to get a before and after so you can kind of see and make the judgment for yourself if you think the shapewear is worth the investment. So I believe this normally retail for like maybe, I don't know, I want to say like $80 or something. And I think it was half off, if I'm not mistaken. I think everything that was included in the sale was 50% off. Don't quote me, but I think that was the case. Now, I'm not sure if these are back to regular price or if they're discontinued or what, but these are like the part of the, what line is that? I want to say it may be the, I don't know, it's kind of ribbed. I'll link, you know, the exact line because Skims has all these like different little lines and stuff like that. So we'll get more specific with that in another portion of the video, but I think it's super cute. It has like Skims right here on the tag, and I just think the color looks really good against my skin. And honestly, you know, I feel like I could kind of still wear this out. So that's what I love about Skims. I think it's great quality for pieces that can be worn in or outdoor for the most part. And you know, for the things that I'm doing, I'm not a person that's always constantly like out and about doing like actual stuff. I'm normally just kind of running errands or Target, grocery store, stuff like that. That's mainly what my days consist of when I am leaving the house. So I think this is just perfect to wear for, you know, stuff like that. And I was really happy to finally get a chance to pick this up. I didn't think I was going to get it. This is a size extra large, so you know, I got whatever they had, y'all. And I honestly think the extra large really serves me well. It's definitely really clingy, so a large might not have done the trick for me. Like I'm almost, you know, I probably would wear something over this if I did wear it out, maybe like a button down or like a linen button down in the summer on a cooler day or something like that. But I just think this is the perfect in-between dress to wear in the house, outdoors, if you need to run and grab a package or something. I just think this is just such a good piece, and the quality of this definitely does feel amazing. All Skims to me has great quality. I haven't had anything, the only thing that I will say that I really have kind of been like a little iffy on the quality was like those waffle pants. Those just got extremely big, but even then they were just so comfortable. I love them. I actually wore them out of town, and my friend was like, where'd you get that outfit? And I'm like, it's Skims, girl, watch my videos. But anywho, yeah, so that's the first piece that I got, so I wanted to kind of go ahead and show you that. And yeah, alrighty, so then the next piece, of course, is as I was mentioning before, is like my first actual piece of shapewear. Now this is like this is the like underwear thongy type, and this is also in that kind of nudie color, but I love the fact that it does have this thong on the you know, this thong in the back that kind of does you know, help with like panty lines and stuff like that. But I will say this is in a size, this is a large. I think the fit was actually fine, but I will say that I feel like you can kind of see lines. So what I'm going to do now is post up a picture of me wearing the dress with this shapewear. So the shapewear is still going to get worn. This was all final sale, so I couldn't return any of this stuff. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you. But either way it goes, yeah, this I think it does do the job. Now I will say I do experience some rolling at the top, so it's supposed to be like sticky right here. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I do it does roll. Now for me, what I kind of try to do when that happens, I try to like kind of, if I have an underwear wire bra or something, I try to kind of like tuck that part underneath, and that sometimes helps. But or just wear something that, you know, you wouldn't really notice it rolling down a lot with, but I don't like that. So I honestly would have to say that if this was full price, this would not be worth it to me. I don't know. And then I feel like you can kind of see like a little bit of how, you guys will see what I mean. Like you kind of almost see the imprint of it, like with this dress. Like you can kind of tell there's something there, or maybe it's just me. You guys let me know in the comments if you can tell. But yeah, so I went ahead and I just picked these up because I was just like, you know, why not? I haven't tried any shapewear. I'm not a big shapewear girl, but I'm really starting to see the benefit in it now that I've had a baby and things aren't as tight as they used to be. So yeah, I picked these up. I can't remember the exact name of this stuff because like I said, it's been a while, guys, and probably should have been a little more prepared, but I just, like I said, I really just wanted to get this video out to y'all and kind of show you guys in case you were in the market. But I'll also, you know, of course I will put it on the screen so you guys know exactly, you know, what it is in case they do still have this stuff. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's discontinued or what's going on. All that, you know, will I'll definitely try to make note of all that if it is something that I just can no longer find. So yeah, those are the only two pieces that I picked up. But I will say when I was buying them, it does come, it came with like a free, let me show you. It came with like this free bag here, and I actually haven't even, oh, wow. I haven't even opened it up yet, but it's this bag here, and I think this is actually super cute. and you kind of just open it just like this. And I will say this is kind of like a toiletry pouch or something if you wanted to. Honestly, the actual shapewear had a longer version of this. I totally forgot. I don't know what I did with it. Great, but it had a longer version of this. They kind of zipped downward, and yeah, I think this is kind of similar to that, except like, you know, if you want to put, like, I would say maybe like your your use, or you know, your laundry when you're out of town or something, if you're like a thong or something like that, you know, that would be perfect for something like this. I don't see myself really using this for anything but something like that. I don't see myself using it as like a makeup bag, but I guess you technically could. But this was like the free gift with purchase that came with it. So overall, I think it was a pretty decent deal for what I got. I mean, I definitely will be using all of the items, but like I said, that shapewear, wasn't the biggest fan so far. I haven't worn it all day or anything yet, but I could just tell that I don't know how I really, you know, feel about constantly or getting anything else, because like I said, I'm a little skeptical now based off the fit of that particular item. So it could be the sizing or something like that, but again, that's where you guys come in, because you guys could tell me down below if you tried the shapewear, if it's hit or miss. Like I said, I've mainly just been doing like the loungewear type pieces, so that's where I'm coming from, and that's, you know, I kind of err on the side of caution with everything else. But actually, that is the end of the video. So I just wanted to kind of briefly get on here, show you what I purchased, kind of show you what it looks like on. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If it was, if it wasn't, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.